love you.
Love you too.
Have a good day. Okay?
You have fun too. You're just gonna leave these doors open? Stay in the car, I gotta go get your apron.
Me? I'm holding an airplane. What you with the door?
I'll shut it.
Fold this into an airplane. It says fold this into an.
Where'd you get this from? It's from the last piece you had? Oh, there's the directions right there. Let me get your apron, I'll be right back. Almost forgot the apron. Oh. Oh gosh. It flies pretty good down. Let's see. Ready? Hey everybody. Welcome back to my car. We're going to Home Depot to do another kid workshop build.
Daddy,
What?
my cup holder's wet again.
What was in your cup holder that was wet? Your pony? Your pony didn't pee in the cup holder. Hold on. You must be putting water or something in it.
I didn't.
Something's going in it to make your cup holder wet.
I'm not leaving this in there.
Here, I have another one.
It's already soaking with the water.
Oh, nice catch. Alright, so headed to Home Depot, we're gonna do another kid workshop. Tomorrow's Mother's Day, so we gotta go on extra special mission afterwards to find stuff for Sarah, for their mama.
And before we do that, when Mama wakes up, we're gonna have her on a hunt for her gifts that I'm giving her.
You're gonna make her go on a hunt for them? Oh, okay.
Mother's Day card, and it is a bookmark.
Whoa! Spoiler alert!
Don't let Mom watch this video.
She'll see it after Mother's Day. Last Mother's Day for May, for the Home Depot build,
It was a picture frame.
it was a picture frame, which was cool because it was a picture frame for Mother's Day. This year it's a birdhouse. Girls, do you love your mama?
Yes.
Emmy? Do you love your mama? Say it loud.
Yes. Yeah. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. I love you.
Emmy, what do you want to say to Mom? Loud.
I haven't. Oh. Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Tomorrow's Sunday, Mother's Day. Gotta do Sunday Super Breakfast! Mother's Day edition. We're gonna do special Mother's Day edition French toast, eggs, bacon, and then we're gonna go meet up with my mom and my dad, and we're gonna go community garden, huh? We're gonna go to, what's it called? Nursery, I guess, for plants. And my mom always wants to go there. That's what my mom wanted to do for Mother's Day, so that's what we're gonna do with her.
Am I coming too?
Yep, we're all going.
I'm coming too.
Everybody. And then we're gonna go over their house for dinner. Crazy traffic on the way to Home Depot. I feel like my ear's all red. It's a little bit red. My ear all red? No?
Pretty much pink.
Pretty much pink.
We're gonna build now.
What are we gonna build?
Angry Bird house.
Yep. Alright, so we're going into Home Depot now. We're gonna do our build. Home Depot.
Home Depot now.
our stuff. Alright, we're back to the Angry Bird house. And now the girls are swimming in the pool. No splashing! No splashing!
Oh, seriously?
It's like I could see the future.
Jeez.
Filled the pool up.
It's so cold. Oh.
Put some on you and then go. Now go stand out in the hot sun.
Why?
Because it's hot out there and then it'll feel good. Excuse you.
Squeeze the burp right out of you. Are you okay?
Are you mad at Dada?
No.
Did he make you all cold and wet?
She was almost falling asleep in the car on the way home from Home Depot.
Really?
Yeah, she was like...
What time did she get up this
She had her
morning?
head turned sideways, doing that thing where she goes... And then I kept waking her up, and then I was like, reached back and tickled her feet. And she's like, ah! So, putting your 2-year-old in the freezing cold water is not a good idea.
Not very smart.
She was crying, she's not happy. Huh. So when are we gonna finish up the big dig?
It's nice and cool out this week. What's a good day? Like 70-degree weather would be perfect.
Monday through Friday.
Is 70?
I don't know.
Oh.
Just crappy Monday through Friday every day. Every day. All day, every day. I don't want to. It's hot. Hi. So we forgot to end the vlog. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. I'm recording this on my webcam. Emmy's coming. Record this on my webcam, so it might look and sound a lot crappy, but that's alright. Oh, we have a special guest, Emmy. Hi, Emmy.
Hi.
How you doing? What you been doing?
Take a bath.
Did you have a good bath?
Yes.
What do you want to have for dinner?
Cheese noodles.
We're not having cheese noodles.
Salad.
Huh?
Salad.
Salad? We might have salad.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. This is the first video you've seen and you want to see more of this little girl.
Thumbs up.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say subscribe.
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 Ah! No boobies, weirdo. What are you doing? Alright.
If you see more
Oh.
of this one, Daddy boy,
Oh. You're too sweet.
if Mom sits down, Mom's down there making dinner, and Dad's upstairs hugging me.
Oh. Squeezy. Alright, say thanks for watching Rob and Sarah.
Thank you for watching Rob and Sarah.
Have thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Subscribe.
Subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Boo.
Good job. Good job.